am sharing a honest review to eVision. And my name is Rahul Kumar Gupta, and I belong to Siwan, Bihar. And I have completed my bachelor's degree from Centurion University of Technology and Management. After completing my bachelor's, I am searching for a job. So I am joining eVision 45 days on-job training program. After completing my on-job training program, I gain a knowledge in basic networking, CCNA, ITIL, window administrator, as well as virtualization. So I gain a knowledge and hands-on practice and knowledge about theoretical and practical both. And after completing my 45 days on-job training, I got selected in two companies. One company name is Teams Computer, and another one is IQ Line with a good package. And I am very thankful to the eVision entire team and the training team that the person who will support me and guide me for my placement. And I highly recommend eVision for your upcoming journey and futures. That's all. Thank you.